The 2024 Hyundai Sonata has made its grand debut, dazzling the automotive world. This midsize sedan has been unveiled in all its glory, boasting an exhilarating fusion of innovation and captivating design. While the complete specifications are yet to be fully disclosed, Hyundai tantalizingly hints at an evolution that transcends the mere notion of a facelift. It is, simply put, the best Sonata to date. The 2024 Sonata draws inspiration from its sibling, the 2024 Kona SUV, embracing a shared exterior design language. A striking highlight of this evolution is the seamless horizon lamp, an eye-catching feature that takes the form of a long horizontal daytime running light, gracefully spanning nearly the entire front of the sedan. This unique lighting element adds a touch of elegance and modernity, distinguishing the Sonata from its peers. Beyond the captivating light signature, the Sonata takes a daring approach to headlight placement. The actual headlights are cleverly concealed within the black trim of the bumper, defying expectations and creating an illusion of a sleek, low-slung nose. This design choice contributes to the Sonata's refined and aerodynamic profile, showcasing Hyundai's attention to both style and practicality. The dynamic interplay of horizontal design elements throughout the Sonata's exterior is another notable aspect of this refresh. These expressive lines and surfaces imbue the sedan with a sense of width and presence, making a bold statement on the road. Hyundai's artful implementation of these design cues elevates the Sonata's visual appeal, granting it an assertive and commanding aura. From the side profile, the 2024 Hyundai Sonata maintains a familiar appearance, with minor updates like fresh wheel designs. Retaining the captivating four-door coupe styling introduced in the 8th generation, the sedan exudes a timeless allure. However, it's the rear where the Sonata exhibits its transformative charm. A striking new H-shaped taillight design stretches across the rear, mirroring the captivating illumination at the front. This seamless connection between the corners creates a sense of width, lending an air of confidence to the rear aesthetics. A captivating black trim piece graces the rear fascia, commencing behind the wheels and extending upwards to accommodate the license plate and dual or quad exhaust, depending on the variant. The integration of this black trim is extended to the ducktail spoiler, adding a touch of sportiness to the sedan's overall appeal. Though the shape of the trunk remains unchanged, the Sonata's rear end has received a rejuvenating makeover. The combination of new taillights, the stylish black trim, and the enhanced ducktail spoiler elevates the visual impact of the Sonata's rear, enhancing its allure from every angle. An upper-class interior. Step inside the 2024 Hyundai Sonata and you'll find a myriad of exciting changes. Dual 12.3-inch screens grace the cabin, drawing inspiration from other contemporary Hyundais, such as the electric Ioniq 5. This infusion of technology imbues the interior with a modern and premium ambiance, rivaling that of luxury sedans. With tasteful wood-like and aluminum trims, the Sonata's cabin exudes sophistication, complemented by its broad horizontal design, creating an illusion of increased spaciousness. A noteworthy alteration is the replacement of the push-button gear selector with a short shifter mounted on the steering column. This move frees up valuable space in the center console, optimizing practicality and ergonomics. While specific details about the infotainment system remain undisclosed, glimpses from pictures reveal fresh designs and graphics. The dual 12.3-inch screens are thoughtfully positioned closer together compared to other Hyundai Kia vehicles with a similar setup, fostering a more seamless and intuitive user experience. In a nod to convenience, physical buttons are thoughtfully provided for expedient access to the infotainment system. Moreover, the HVAC controls find their place in a touch display, following the trend set by the latest Genesis models. New ambient lighting further enhances the Sonata's allure, bathing the cabin in an enchanting glow during nocturnal drives, elevating the experience to one of utmost refinement. Engine options. For the 2024 Sonata, Hyundai is sticking with the tried and tested 2.5-liter i4 as the base engine. This powertrain produces 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, providing adequate performance for everyday driving needs. The Sonata equipped with this engine is estimated to achieve a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in the range of 8.5 seconds, which is respectable for a midsize sedan. Moreover, fuel efficiency remains consistent with the previous year at an estimated 28 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an economical choice for daily commutes and long journeys alike. While the 1.6-liter turbocharged i4 was an optional engine in previous iterations, it is expected to be discontinued for the 2024 model. This engine offered improved acceleration with 180 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. However, its fuel efficiency was only marginally better than the base engine, rated at an estimated 27 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. Given the similarity in performance and fuel economy, Hyundai might have decided to streamline the engine offerings and focus on refining other aspects of the Sonata's performance. For driving enthusiasts seeking an extra dose of power and excitement, the Sonata N-Line variant is the answer. Fitted with a robust 2.5-liter turbocharged i4 engine, The N-Line model boasts an impressive output of 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a quick-shifting 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the Sonata N-Line can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 5.3 seconds, offering spirited and thrilling driving dynamics. As expected, the added power does result in slightly reduced fuel efficiency, estimated to be around 23 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. However, for those who prioritize performance and exhilaration, the Sonata N-Line provides an engaging driving experience without compromising on everyday usability. Safety. Over the years, the Hyundai Sonata has consistently demonstrated its commitment to safety, earning remarkable scores in safety testing. In the 2023 model year, the Sonata received the highest accolades, obtaining a 5-star overall rating from the NHTSA and the coveted Top Safety Pick designation from the IIHS. Ensuring the well-being of occupants is a priority for Hyundai, and as such, every 2024 Sonata comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Standard safety technologies include front automatic emergency braking, automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, and lane keep assist. These features work together to enhance collision avoidance and promote safer driving experiences. For higher-end trims, additional safety measures are available. These include blind spot monitoring, offering increased awareness of surrounding traffic, and an enhanced highway driving assist functionality, aiding drivers during long-distance journeys. Moreover, an innovative available feature, the Remote Smart Parking Assist System, commonly known as Smart Park, elevates convenience to a whole new level. This cutting-edge system allows the driver to stand outside the Sonata and remotely maneuver the vehicle into a parking spot, making tight parking situations a breeze. With a comprehensive suite of safety technologies and innovative features, the 2024 Hyundai Sonata is engineered to provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, reinforcing its reputation as a safe and reliable choice in the midsize sedan segment. Space galore! Regarding the interior measurements of the 2024 Hyundai Sonata, they're expected to remain largely unchanged from the previous year. This implies that the sedan will continue to offer a spacious trunk and ample legroom in the front seats, creating a comfortable and accommodating environment for the driver and front passenger. The Sonata's trunk is known for its generous capacity, providing ample space for luggage, groceries, or other cargo. This practicality ensures that the Sonata remains a practical choice for daily use and long journeys alike. While the front seats offer an abundance of legroom, the rear legroom might not be as extensive as some of its competitors. This is a common characteristic in the midsize sedan segment, as manufacturers often prioritize front seat comfort and space over rear seat legroom. However, the Sonata still provides adequate space for passengers in the back, ensuring a pleasant riding experience for most occupants. And the tech is all you could want and more. The 2024 Hyundai Sonata embraces a significant tech upgrade compared to its predecessors. Notably, the sedan now offers dual 12.3-inch displays ahead of the driver. One of these serves as the gauge cluster, providing essential vehicle information, while the other acts as the infotainment touchscreen, granting access to a range of multimedia features. This sophisticated setup is expected to be available in higher-end models, while entry-level trims will continue with the 8 or the 10.3-inch display options seen in previous iterations. Ensuring seamless smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will remain standard across all trim levels, further enhancing the Sonata's tech-savvy character. In terms of connectivity, the Sonata will feature several USB-C ports in the front row, catering to the needs of modern devices. Additionally, the availability of second-row USB charge ports will provide convenient charging options for rear passengers. For those seeking the pinnacle of tech sophistication, premium options include a heads-up display, projecting essential information onto the windshield for easy access without taking your eyes off the road. The Sonata also offers a Bose premium sound system, enveloping the cabin with high-quality audio. Moreover, a wireless charging pad allows for effortless charging of compatible devices, ensuring that the Sonata keeps up with the demands of contemporary digital lifestyles.